So how to store the pallets in a warehouse? The easiest way is just put them on the ground, which is called floor stacking of pallets. On the picture you have several lanes where the pallets are stored, and in some lanes pallets are stored on top of each other, they are stacked. So this one is the first lane. This one is the second lane with the more white boxes. This is the third lane. This is the lane number 4, where the mouse cursor is right now, with again the white boxes, and then we have brown boxes in lane number 5, lane number 6, 7, 8, 9 lanes. Okay, the pallets are just arranged on the floor, and in each lane, this is the main design principle of almost all warehouses around the world. In each lane there's only a single SKU stored. I already told you that it's very important to avoid double handling. We don't know what they actually store inside the boxes, but at least from the type of boxes it appears clear that in this first lane they all store the same boxes, so probably the same SKU is inside. The same in the second lane where they have these white boxes, and again in the other lanes. So you see how this principle is followed in that picture. And the lane depth, the depth of the lane, how deep is the lane, is the number of pallets that are stored back to back with access from the aisle. And the height of a lane is the number of pallets that are stored on top of each other. So for example, here with these white pallets, or the white boxes, they have a height of 3, because 3 pallets are stored on top of each other. For the brown boxes, it seems this lane has a height of 4, and the first lane in the front has a height of 1. The height, of course, depends on the weight of the goods and how strong and stable the pallets are, and on the fragility of the packaging and the type of the goods. And finally, also on the height of the warehouse, of course. Although you see in that warehouse, this is not really a limitation. Here are some more examples of floor stacking of pallets. Here on the right top side, you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes visible. They are accessible from the side where the pallet jack is standing. It seems that they are storing beverages, and you can see that these pallets or the storage just look not so stable, not so super stable, so you should be careful how many pallets you can place on top of each other. And here on the left upper side we have a couple of lanes. For me it's not super clear if we are talking about 4 lanes, 1, 2, 3, 4, or if we are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lanes. I think these are 4 lanes because probably the forklift will access the lanes from this side. This is just here, seems to be a big aisle through the whole warehouse where the forklifter can maneuver.